Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find navigation system, voice-activated navigation system, backup camera, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.